Hello, my dear viewer. If you've found yourself on this channel, welcome. Here I share exciting creative photography and Photoshop projects designed to transform you from a photographer into an artist. But I just wanted to let you know that over the next few months, I will be taking a break to work on exciting new projects for inside my course, Photo Fanatics, as well as new ideas for this channel, of which I have many. So this is a see you soon, not a see you later. Plus, it's also too hot in summer here to be photographing anything. In the meantime, you might like to join my mailing list where I share weekly ideas and inspiration. You'll find the details below. Otherwise, please take a look around. Pick a project that inspires you, get creative with your camera, and share your results with me in my Facebook group. As always, happy creating and see you in a few months.